ladies, welcome back to the channel. I'm Bianca, your Christian fitness trainer and prayer warrior, and I'm so glad that you're here. All you need today is just a chair. As always, ladies, we're going to pray first. Father, I thank you for this day. I thank you that there's not one feeble one among us. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. Okay, ladies, a couple of things to keep in mind when we do these exercises. We're only doing like three static, three dynamic. And when we do that twist, make sure you're twisting from the base of your spine, okay? So you're moving like above the hip flexors, which are right in here, okay? The twist comes from there. When we take it down, all right, notice my legs are apart. So here, chest parallel to the floor, and then tuck that pelvis and roll back up, okay? Then where we're reaching from the side, you're just stretching through the sides here, okay? And when we take it up, same thing, just hold it there. Keep the shoulders down away from the ears, okay, as you reach forward to hold it. And make sure you're breathing, the breath is flowing, and you're not labored. All right, let's get started. As always, ladies, thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this workout, please share it with someone else. Also, like and subscribe. And if you want a different variety of workouts, check out my sisters in the Core Kingdom Collective. The link to the link tree is in my description box. Until next time, God bless you. I love you, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye.